Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to do about optimization. The first thing I will put about ask number 1 for the product number 1 and ask number 2 that is about the product number 2. We know that assembly line number 1 needs only 100 available hours in here. Assembly line number 2 that is about 42 hours. But in each product we need to require 10 hours for the assembly line number 1. So in this situation we need to put about number 10 multiplied by s number 1 plus number 10 with s number 2. This is about the time for assembly line number 1 that should be smaller than or equals to 100. Assembly line number 2, we know that on the product number 1 we need to 7 hours. And the second one we need 3 hours. And they should be smaller than or equals to 42 hours. The next one, we need to know that S1 and S2, they are the positive number in here. Because this is about the products. And the last one, objective. We want to find the maximum profit. So the product number 1, the price is about 6. And the second one that is about 4. And this is about formula we just create in here. The question number 2, we need to find the model using about the graph. The first thing we need to graph this one. So we have number 10, 100. We divide both sides by number 10. So we need to graph about S1, S2 smaller than or equals to number 10. So when S1 equal to number 0, S2 we have number 10. When S2 equals to number 0, S1 equals to number 10. So the next one, I will put S1 equals to number 0, so we can find S number 2. So we divide both sides by number 3. So S2 that is about 14. When S number 2 equals to number 0, we can find S number 1. So we divide both sides by number 7 and you got about number 6. So the next one, we need to find the intersection in here. So we need to create the system of equations. So we calculate this one and we can find about S number 1, S number 2. That is about number 3 and number 7. So the location in here that is about number 3, number 7. So because this is smaller than or equals, so that should be go down in here. And the region we need to focus that is about this one. So in this location that is about number 0, number 10. This one that is about number 6 and number 0. So after we got 3 points in here, we can put inside this objective. So when we have s number 1 equal to number 0, s number 2 equals to number 10. So we put this one goal here. And we got 40. Now if we have number 3, number 7, so we put number 3 goal here and number 7 goal here. So we calculate this one and we have 46. So we have number 6, number 0, and we got 36. So we can see that the maximum that is about 46. So we need to select about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.